Alright guys, so we have been tasked with a project to move the Knoxville Bank into the cloud. And if you guys remember, this is what the current infrastructure of the bank looks like. And the goal is simple: move all the bank resources in the cloud, highly secure, and least amount of cost. So this is what we came up with. Like, these are the four separate uh, business domains that we're going to divide the resources into. And so I am the project leader, and these are the four boxes that I came up with in my presentation paper. And now we're going to discuss further, which is more like I'm going to tell you guys how things should be. All right. So anything we do needs to be split into smaller pieces. And right now, all we're doing is segregating the resources and finding out the scope of our work. So the first thing, data center, it has 2 petabytes of data, 4 database server, 4 application server, 4 web server, a bunch of tape backups. So basically, whatever sensitive information that exists in the bank needs to go into one central place that nobody else but the management can access. So that's the requirement for the management, and let's say it has audit data and governance data. So under the business, there are 6 different departments, and what I'm going to do is divide them into 2 buckets. Like the 2 large buckets, that will be the Knox Bank branch, the Villa branch, and the customer service. These serve the external customers, while payroll, HR, and others is basically the internal uh, business teams. And now, last but not the least, the information technology guys, and they need a place to put their stuff. So they want dev, QA, and production buckets. So let's see how this looks like in the cloud. All right, this is our complete picture. Uh, and I think we should divide these into 2 main sections. One is management, the other is non-management, not because it makes sense in business terms, but because that'll be better for our demonstrations. And so we'll create 2 separate accounts, management and non-management. And in the non-management, IT, data center, and business will be 3 VPCs, while the headings under them, database servers, application servers, web servers, be 3 subnets under the data center VPC, and so on for the others. And this is what we're going to build in the cloud, guys, and we'll add users and machines and servers as we go forward. But the first thing first, we're going to work on the networking part. All right, guys, see you in the next lecture.